Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring 10 artificial grass front yard ideas for 2024. Whether you're looking for a low-maintenance option or a modern look, these ideas will inspire you to transform your front yard. Let's get started. 1. Get creative with an artificial front lawn. Get creative with artificial front lawn. The space in front of your villa or home can be styled with a layer of artificial turf. It doesn't matter how much space you have, artificial grass can cover your desired lawn area for aesthetic landscaping. The curve-shaped border will bring a more elegant look rather than a rectangular or square. 2. Run fake grass on either side of pathway. Run fake grass on either side of pathway. If your lawn has a prominent pathway or track, you can also install synthetic grass on either side of it. This styling idea will not only beautify your front yard but also make the pathway more prominent for viewers. 3. Run artificial grass around landscape trees. Run artificial grass around landscape trees. Just like the natural grass, you can also install this fake grass around landscape trees to enhance the yard ambience. Because the verdant fake turf perfectly complements the grainy and earthy tree features. 4. Border your lawn with shrubs and hedges. Border your lawn with shrubs and hedges. Another prominent idea of yard landscaping is to border your lawn with shrubs or ornamental hedges. You can also make a border in the surroundings with neatly trimmed hedges and well-kept shrubs to enhance the beauty and natural lush green ambience. 5. Run your artificial lawn with flower beds. Run your artificial lawn with flower beds. While crafting an artificial lawn with fake grass carpet, you can also make flower beds in the yard area. Having flower beds in parallel to artificial lawns not only enhances the yard's elegance but also increases the property value. 6. Add some pebbles and rocks around the grass. Add some pebbles and rocks around the grass for more stability and texture enhancement. Consider adding pebbles and rocks on around your synthetic lawn grass. The solid or neutral colored stones will keep your lawn outlook sleek and easily maintainable by preventing the turf from dust particles. 7. Fix artificial grass between pavers. Add some pebbles and rocks around the grass. Weaving synthetic grass in the surrounding stone or concrete pavers is another eye-catching idea. People usually install concrete paver pathways in their yards for a rustic and geometric look in a green atmosphere. 8. Pet-friendly delight yard with artificial turf. Pet-friendly delight yard with artificial turf. The installation of artificial turf also transforms your yard into a delightful place for your pets or kids to play. The ultra-comfortable and mud-free turf provides underfoot comfort and a natural feel to your pets, so no chances of any injury. 9. Create a poolside paradise with lush turf. Create a poolside paradise with lush turf. Your yard has a pool. You can also fix an astroturf around its periphery to make a mind-blowing color combination of green and blue. Unlike natural grass, this grass protects your feet from muddy material while walking on it. 10. Add lights to enhance accent of fake grass. Add lights to enhance the accent of fake grass. Make your home yard landscaping more glamorous and delightful by adding smart wall lights and lanterns along fake turf. These lights not only ensure complete illumination but also enhance the texture and shine of your yard at night. And there you have it, 10 artificial grass front yard ideas for 2024. Whether you're looking for a minimalist design or a kid-friendly play area, there's an idea here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your favorite front yard idea. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips and landscaping inspiration. Thanks for watching.